So today we're going to share how to put together the push or pull radial flyer. So you see there's an R here and an L here. There's an R here and an L here. So it wants to put right here, push this in there. Same thing on the other side. So we have to rotate up. So the difference here is we want this where it's threaded all the way. You do not want to use this where it's only partially threaded. So we need these two bolts, and we're going to screw them in. Can you get the Phillips, please? Thank you. So we're going to put the bolt through. Again, you want to use the fully threaded one, not the one that's partially threaded. You're going to fix one of the wheels onto the shaft.
Most screws make bits.
Okay, you hold on to those two for me. All right. Now we're going to take this.
I got free things.
And we need to pound this on.
I got free. Okay. Here. Stick it and put it.
So take your hammer. Okay, so that's not coming off. Now what you want to do is you're going to see this hole here. You're going to move this through. You can get it through the hole on the other side as well. Move it this way. Go ahead and put the other wheel on.
Broke the other wheel.
And we're going to tap this on. If you hold the wheel up, you can hold that pretty much in place without putting your fingers in the way of the hammer. Alright, we're good. Now we're going to put the caps on. So we have two caps, one for each side. Cap there. I'm just going to line these up. Cap there. Okay. Alright, so what you'll see here is you'll have a left wheel and you'll have a right wheel. So there's an L and an R. Then you have these little bearings, or I don't know what they are, just metal cylinders. Keep this little piece here on the tire, or on the wheel housing thing. Just slide that over. You're going to do that for both of these. So make sure you have left. I'm going to go over where it says left. We're going to install that.
I turned like a kitty cat.
Oh, kitty cat. So we're going to take the right and put it on the right. I'm going to pick this up. Whoa. So we're going to take a screw, put it through the washer, put it on the felt. We're going to screw it in here. So you take your screw, the metal washer, the felt washer, you do the same thing on this side. So then we'll take this cap. If you notice, there's two of these points. Just make sure they go in. So we're going to have the small wheels on this side. We're going to attach the handle here. You're going to use the 2 bolts that are only partially threaded. Just tighten them down with the Phillips. So now we're going to pick this up. Pull it up, push down. On the underside, there's a strap here that you want to just wrap around, secure. Push this back over. So there's a little pin down here you can push in, and then it'll come up here, and that way you can adjust. That's how you pull it. You just pull it by the handle then. So you have a couple of different positions that you can use for the push. All you do is push in on the left and right hand side to allow that. There's little things you can push in for the side. This will help with the canopy. So you just unroll this, and it almost reminds me of snap bracelets.
This is so cool. Look. Yeah, girl.
So if you wanted to, you can always take these off. Basically, your kids can just sit there. It's like a nice little seat. In order to put them back up, all you do is zip them back up. And you have storage for your water bottles and things like that. And if you need diapers and stuff like that, you can go put them in that pouch. When you want to take down the canopy, it just comes right off. And it reminds me of the old slap bracelets in here. So basically, just let it go and it folds itself up. Here, you can just lower these. There's pins on the sides. And to pack this all away, it's really easy. One, if you come under here, you're just gonna see you need to take this link back off. And all you do is pull up. This all packs away very easily. And you can just pick it up and bring it in. Alright, well thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe.